So we are back after a long break, and today we are going to talk about the new upcoming iPhone 12. Where's the new iPhone 12? That's what everyone is asking, because on September 8, when new iPads and Apple Watch 6 will arrive without a new iPhone. To answer that question, John Prosser has nailed the timeline. He tweeted a list of weeks Apple is expected to announce and release new hardware. It's not good news if you are eager to get your hands on the rumored iPhone 12 Pro 5G. That version will come last in the scheme of things. If true, the Apple Watch 6 and new iPads will come first the week of the September 7th, and it will arrive with considerably less than normal fanfare even due to COVID-19, potentially as a stealthy reveals via press release like we saw with the iPhone SE 2020 in March. Now, assuming Prosser's release window is accurate, we are fully expecting the date to be Tuesday, September 8, because September 7 is Monday and holiday in the US. It's also the time frame that Apple usually has with a big launch event, but no new iPhone is mentioned for the first release date. The iPhone 12 might have a 64-megapixel main camera over the 12-megapixel snapper on the previous few versions, which would be a huge upgrade. This leak also suggests that the phone will have multiple lenses that support night mode shooting, and the ultra-wide snapper could have a dedicated macro mode. We have also heard that the top-end new iPhone, likely the iPhone 12 Pro Max, will get a new image stabilization tech called sensor shift, which would allow the sensor to move in order to counteract camera shake. Reputable leaker Max Weinbach says he has heard that the iPhone 12 Pro will feature smart HDR functionality for improved low-light performance. That's alongside a 3x optical zoom, which is an increase from the 2x zoom capability featured in the iPhone 11 range. The RAM could also get a boost, with analysts claiming the iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max will have 6GB of this stuff, up from 4GB on their predecessors, although the standard phone will apparently stick with 4GB. Well, that will be all for now. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more updates. Till the next time.